Good evening, everyone.
Evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, in the last class, there were 16 members who submitted your project. Then in this class, I will be asking some of you to explain about your project. As Kampu said, you can share your screen and you can just give a glance of your project, what you have done and what are the tags you have used. And you can also explain about the table tag which you have used to the other your classmates. Kampu, are you here?
Yes.
Yeah, you can just share your screen and just give a glimpse of your project.
Uh,
Yeah, you can explain.
can
We
you
can see your
see
screen.
this?
Yeah, yeah.
I used first here HTML tag and next head, and I used title tag as a table, and I
Yeah,
closed title and I closed head,
yeah,
and I used center tag to come in center.
yeah,
Next body background color
yeah.
I choose gold, and big H1 bold italic. For this I'm typing school timetable
Yeah,
to look it big and italic, bold and big. Next I use
yeah,
table
yeah.
tag.
In the table tag, you have used tr tag and th tag. Can you just explain what is those tr and th tags?
TH tag means it come in raw
In?
and in raw.
No, I'm asking not about the tr. I'm asking about the th.
Kampu, please share your screen and explain.
I'm sharing, sir.
Sir, it is visible. Yeah, here I'm asking here there where you used a time. There you have used th tag. Why did you use that for?
TH tag to make that in raw column.
Yeah, tr is used to open a new row. Then th is the header of the row. It is not like opening the row. TR is the opening a row. Row is like a vertical one, not the horizontal. Horizontal is known as column, and row is the vertical one. Where when you start a row like this, the heading part is called TH. That is what we call TH. Did everyone
Okay.
get? Did
Yeah.
everyone get the difference between TH and TR?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Can you
fine.
repeat it
You
again?
can, yeah. TR is the starting of a row, like the whole row. You start by using TR tag. TH is used to give the heading to the each row. Like in the TR, you have given a row and given the first one as time. It starts from here, the row, then continues with the time. Whichever time you give at the first will be continuing. Here she gave as 9:25 to 10:10. It will be continuing in the time row. I will just show it, and while doing the assignment, like I will do a short in the notepad and show you how it works. You can continue, Kampu.
Next, next I did this TD time, and I typed the class is equal to max and close tab
You can say
max
about this
and
TD
close
tag.
TD.
Kampu, you can say about the TD
TD
tag.
tag. This.
Why, why did you use the TD tag?
Can you once again?
Why did you use
Can
this
you once
TD tag?
again tell? I'm not listening.
Why did you use this TD tag?
Hello.
As you said here in the below part, you have used a TD tag.
Yeah. For
Why
this,
did you use it?
on to for this tag I am used for here to type subjects.
TD tag is used to give the table data or the cell data for a particular cell. Like TD defines the data which you give in the row. Like TD 925 is the data which you given to the time. Like below the time you get this 925 and 1010. That is what TD equals table data. It's not like something what Kampu said. Uh, it is like giving a data for the table. Like each cell has a different data. Where you give a data, you use a TD tag to fill the data inside the tag. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can continue.
Like that I did 8.
Yeah, that yeah.
Uh,
Only that tags you have used, no new tags, no other new tags.
and no.
Yeah, okay. While doing the project, you make sure that whatever tag you used, you should be knowing the meaning of it. Please doesn't like copy that and just paste and do the project. Project is given that you understand the each every segment and do it. Not like writing th simply and coming not that's not works as a project. You should understand what you're doing and you should know the meaning of the each segment what you do. That's why we give assignments. Please, whenever you do next, understand the each segment and do. Next is Pranam right here. Yeah. Pranam Rai. Yeah. There is no Pranam, right? So most of you have sent your projects. I'm happy for that. There were 16 members who sent their projects. Um, I have went through all your projects. Some of you used additional things and did it good. I appreciate everyone who had learnt by doing the project. And simply copying the project is not meant as a project. It is just meant as a copying. From the next time, whenever you do projects, if you get doubts, you can contact or you can even message in the group what does this tag mean, so that we will be explaining you about that tag if you doesn't get the tag meanings or those why we are used, why we use that. You can also contact through your personally or even in the group. I'm ready to clear your doubts. I'll share my screen and show you the. Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, here you can see I have created a timetable, a short one, which contains time. As I said before, this is we started a table row. It goes like this. Then if you start a new table row and give the TD, the table data, as 9 to 9:45 have given, then it comes below time. Then comes as it is a table row, it goes vertically like this. Sorry, horizontally like this, not vertically. Then you will give the next table data as English, then you give Kannada, then you give math, then you will give the next table data as this and this, then close the table row and open a new table row. Like that, it goes on. You can even change this, like you can even give here date and you can give here the days and here the subjects and you can even change that. as per your requirements or as per how you want to create your timetable. It depends on you. And you can also use different types of font size for the each and color it in different, whatever you need you can do. The border which you can see here was given by the table border. Table border is nothing but the whole table. I will show you the coding so that it will be clear for you. Yeah, here you could see HTML head title and head is closed, and this part you have already known it. And body color is BG color is tan. Then timetable, this is all you know. Then table border is 3. I have given 3, so you could see the table border here. This is what called the table border. Can you see this table border here?
Yeah.
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 If you give it 2, like if you give it 2, it becomes thinner. The more number you give, it becomes more thicker. You can see here. It's not more visible. I'll just change the number instead of 2. If I give 8, save it. Yeah. Can you see how big it becomes or thicker it becomes?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is how you use that. Yeah. Table border is nothing but the border. So cell padding I have given 8. Cell padding is nothing but the space here. The space of the cell. Um, the space of the cell. Each cell consists of a space. There we have time. The space here is the cell padding. Like if you give 2, you will get the how much I have given? Yeah, I have given 8. Then you'll get this much space between your um, text and the cell. If I give it like, if I change it to, I will give it just 4. Yeah. Can you see the space that is given in the each cell has been reduced? Yeah. If you change it, it will be different. If I give it like 10, save it. Yeah. Can you see now the space between the each cell has been bigger, and you can see Monday clearly inside the cell, having lot of space in the front and the back and even the below and the above. Can you see that?
Yeah.
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 Yes.
That is what called cell padding, and this is what is this called? What is this called? Can anyone say what is this called? Yeah. Can anyone say what is the this part of the table called, or what tag we have used here? Then Lakshmi?
Uh, Time border.
Yeah, that
What?
is what the table border. This is the table border, and the space is known as the cell padding. Here you could see this is what the table border 8 and cell padding 10. This is what explained. Next, we will go for the table row. We will start a next row and give the table header as time. We'll start a row and give the table header as time. We will start a row. You could see here. Yeah, we are starting this row. This is the first row we are starting. And we will give the table header as type. This is what I typed there. You could see. Yeah. Here, table row I started and the table header is the time. Then the next table header is Monday. You could see it horizontally. Here, you could see Monday. Then next table header will be Tuesday. Then the next table header will be the Wednesday. You could see here, right there. Yeah. Next table header is Monday. Then next it goes with Tuesday. Then continue with Wednesday. Then the first table row is closed. No other data can be entered in the first table row as it is closed. Only there are four like table headers, so they are closed. Then we will go for the next table row. That is what this one. We will go to this row. Here you could see whatever I wrote. We will go to the next table row. There you could see I have written table data of the first cell is 9 to 9:45 and close the table data. This is what I wrote there. You could see here the first table we have opened the table row. This is what the table row which we have opened, the second table row, and the first cell data is 9 o'clock to 9:45. This is what I have given here, the table data for the first cell. You could see here, the table data for the first cell is this. As we're doing it horizontally, we'll give the time simultaneously um, the subject of the both. Like Monday 9 to 9:45, it is English. Then Tuesday it comes with Kannada. Then Wednesday it is math. Like that it goes on. Right? Yeah. See, Monday 9 to 9:45 it is English, and Tuesday 9 to 9:45 it is Kannada. So you will give like a table row, open a table row, then you will do TD, that is the table data, then start with time, then give a subject for Monday, then give a subject for Tuesday, then give a subject for Wednesday. This is how it goes on. Then next, if you want to give a break, then can anyone like say the next code, what it would be? Leah?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you just say what should we start with? Like next row, we should go and start and give the time and morning break. What should we start with it?
Uh,
Yeah,
Maybe you should add open tag tr
yeah,
uh,
yeah. That
close
is, you
tag,
start a new table row.
and you'll be adding the timings.
Yeah, what tag we use to add the timings?
At td.
Yeah, exactly. Then for the morning break,
Uh, uh, td only.
yeah. Thank you, Leah. Yeah, see here, as Leah said, I opened a TR tag, opened a TD tag, then I given the time, then TD tag, morning break, close the TD tag, and close the table row, and close this table row. Yeah. Did everyone understand still the this part?
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Do anyone have doubts about it?
No.
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 Yeah. So is Dhruti here? Dhruti. Is Dhruti here? PK. That's fine. Mm, yeah. Arfa Sadaf. Arfa Sadaf. Can you hear me? That's fine. Please respond when I call your name. Yeah. Um, Vedashri, you can say what is the next code which I used here?
So you have used tr tag, and
Yeah, you
then
can
you have
explain why I
used,
used it.
because tr tag here for the row you have first start a new row, you have used the tr tag, and then
To
you have
start a
used,
new row here, we will use a TR tag. Then yeah, continue.
yeah, then you have used td tag,
Yeah. Why is that
and
used?
then you give Uh, it it is used to give the data,
Yeah.
and then you have used td tag and give the subject, and you have give the three subject, and you have closed the three td tag, and finally you have closed the tier tag.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I did here. You could see here I used a TD tag to fill the data in the cell. Here one, and here one, and here one. I have closed the table row tag here. Then next here also the same way. Here I used a TD tag. Here one TD tag. Here one TD tag, and here one. And I closed a table row tag. Is there any doubts about how to create a timetable?
No.
No.
Yeah, so fine. Um, Now I'll be asking a little bit of questions for you. Uh, Hitesh,
Yes.
yeah,
Yeah.
can you just say what is the meaning difference of cell padding and table border?
Table border means the outer border of the timetable. Cell
Yeah,
padding means the row or the each cell called as cell padding.
yeah, not each cell. The spaces which we have given in the each cell is known as and the distance of spaces which we give in the each cell is known as cell padding, and the table border was right. The outer border of the table is known as the table border. Thank you, Hitesh. Next, Bharat. Bharat, can you hear me? Yeah. Vandana?
Yes.
Yeah, can you just give an explanation about the table row and TH tag, TR tag, and the TH tag?
Yeah, TR
Yeah,
tag is used as a new tag for the row to be started
yeah,
in a table, and TD tag is used to give the information for the uh, tag place, information or data to be filled in that tag by using it.
yeah. TR is the starting of the table row, that's right, and the TD is also right, the data which is given to the each cell. Thank you, Vandana.
Thank you.
Yeah. Disha?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you just say how can I reduce the spaces here? Like in the Wednesday, it is looking too spacey. I wanted to reduce the space here. What should I change in my codings? Where should I change or what should I change? Can you just say?
I
Should
think
I
cell
change?
padding you should change. Yeah, cell padding. You have given 10, right? You can change it how you want.
Yeah, let us see. Yeah. Thank you, Disha.
Yeah, thank you.
Janit KP.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you just say what the tag must might have been used to make this has like bigger and in the bigger and here I have which tag I may have used for the timetable. You can say whatever tags which can be used for the headings or whatever. You can say whatever the tags can be used for the headings.
We can use the title tag.
Yeah, you can use the title tag, like the additional tags, like you use bold, like that. Can you say other tags which can be used for the title?
Mark you tag.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Janet. You can
Thank you.
use mark your tag. Trisha. Trisha. Yeah. When you start a row, how do you end the row? Like what the symbol or the thing that you use to end a tag? What that symbol is called?
Table.
Trisha. Trisha, can you hear me? Yeah. Can anyone pile? Pile here? Yeah, that's fine. Uh, Nimisha P. Can you say that is a basic question? To close a tag, what the symbol or the thing you used? Nimisha, can you hear me? Nidish?
Can I?
Slash.
Yeah, yeah. You can say what is the symbol or the thing is used to simplify that the tag is closed. You're closing the tag right there.
Slash.
Yeah. Thank you, Nidish. Then HR.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, particular page in the body part, what are the things that are used in the body part?
I can't hear you.
Yeah, the tags or the things that I have used in the body part. You can list any five tags, five or three. You
Color,
can list a three. Yeah, background color.
cell padding,
Yeah, no, cell
uh,
padding. Yeah, cell padding. Yeah, then.
table border, table border,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you, Nutan. Pratik. Pratik. Can you hear me, Pratik? Bharat. Syed. Yeah. Gagan Gowda.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you just summarize this? What the class? What are the new tags you learned in this class?
The table tag,
Yeah.
the th tag.
Yeah. You can just explain about the each tag.
So first, the table tag. We use the table tag to create tables in HTML.
Yeah.
Next, the T head tag. This basically gives like an we used to give the headings for rows and columns.
Yeah.
The tr tag, which is table row, where it basically say defines that it is the row of a table, and using that we can give separate headings to each single row. Next,
Yeah.
the th tag. The th tags are used for to give the heading to the cell.
Yeah.
Then the table border we use it to give the outline or the border to the whole table. Next,
Yeah.
cell padding. Cell padding gives defines how much the space is available in a cell.
Yeah. Thank you, Gagan.
Thank you.
Yeah. Did everyone get how to create a timetable?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can use different tags for different, like you want Hindi in bold, then you can give in the notepad here, right? Like math, you need bold, you can give. Can anyone say how to give like the bold for math? How should I write it
Can
in the
I?
bold? Yeah,
Can I?
Can I open tag
yeah, open tag,
B
B,
and close the tag
yeah,
and open tag slash B and close the tag.
yeah. For the math, we have given the bold here. Yeah, can you see? The math has changed in the bold letters
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is how you make a text bold. In the even in the table, you can give it a different color. Like this text has different color. When you are creating your personal timetable, like a reading timetable, then which are the subjects you should concentrate a lot, you can create it in a red color and give it the red color so that you remind that it should be learnt or studied daily. This is how you can create your own timetable or a personal timetable. Do anyone have doubts how to create it or in the any part of the timetable?
Can you
No.
once again explain that part?
Which part?
Maths that you did in the
Yeah,
team.
yeah, I'll show. Yeah, you can just give the bold tag, open the bold tag in the T data. In the T data, here T data starts giving data for the each cell. There, if you give bold, the data which you give will be in the bold. Like the T data is math. Table data is math. I have given math. Then I have opened a bold tag. So the math, the data which I give there will be in the bold letters. This was the previous topic which you have been using in different parts. Even here in the timetable, I have used bold to make it look more highlighted. And you can use bold for any text which you want to make it highlighted, like overwritten. Here you can see like it is looking in the like written in a more ink, like it looks so bolded. That is how you can create it. Is that clear, Kampu?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Is there any doubts for any others?
No.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. This is what all about today's class. Stop sharing. Yeah. This was all about today's class. Then the next class assignments will be shared in the group. So you make sure to watch your assignments and submit it. I guess in this what timetable, most of you have submitted your assignments. Five or six didn't. You can submit it after knowing the explanation. You can use those tags and create a timetable and send it those who didn't. Then the next week's as this week's assignments will be sent in the group, and you make sure to see the assignment and complete it. That was all about today's class. Then I would like to wind up the class. Do anyone have any doubts you can contact in the group and you can clear all your doubts. Thank you.